Sometimes it's fun to watch the gulls fly and film them. They're actually relatively easy to film in flight because they kind of fly steady, though occasionally loop and stuff like that. But I watched this one go for almost a minute. It was kind of cool. I'm not sure what these next two birds are. They're pretty big and they're flying together, but I just got a quick glimpse of them and some kind of big thing, but I don't know. This last one is a distant bald eagle, young eagle flying across the Seekonk River.